Welcome to our channel. Common mistakes when installing used car parts. 1. Not checking exact compatibility. People often skip matching the model, year, engine type, or OEM number, which leads to wrong fitment or poor performance. 2. Ignoring the actual condition of the part. Used parts may look fine from the outside, but internal wear, cracks, rust, or leaks can cause issues later. 3. Installing without testing first. Many install the part directly without testing, and if it turns out faulty, the entire job has to be redone. 4. Not cleaning the mounting area. Dust, mud, or rust on the mounting surface can cause poor fitting, vibration, leaks, or loose installation. 5. Reusing old bolts or gaskets. Old bolts, clips, and gaskets don't seal properly and often cause leaks, noise, or misalignment. 6. Not checking warranty or return policy. Buying used parts without warranty is risky because you have no replacement option if the part doesn't work. 7. Using incorrect tools. Wrong tools can damage parts, strip bolts, or result in weak fitting, affecting safety and performance. 8. Forgetting to reset sensors or ECU. Skipping the ECU or sensor reset after installation can cause warning lights, inaccurate readings, or rough performance. 9. Improper bolt tightening. Over-tightening or under-tightening bolts can lead to cracks, leaks, vibrations, or part failure. 10. Skipping the test drive. Without a test drive, early signs like noise, leaks, warning lights, or poor fitting often go unnoticed. Thanks for watching.